Hey, I'm Fabian from DIY Wood Revival. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap and easy triangle clamp out of a few bits of scrap wood. This is really handy for large glue-ups. If you're like me, you don't have a bunch of Sash clamps, then this is exactly what you need. Let's get into it.
I have a big glue up to do, and I've only got 2 Sash clamps, and I don't really want to buy an extra one just for this one glue up because they're super expensive and I don't use them that often. So I decided to make my own. Not a Sash clamp, but a scrap wood substitute. Not sure what to call it, but I like triangle clamp. This is literally just made from scrap wood that I had lying around. I marked out and drilled a series of holes down each leg and across the feet so that the clamp is adjustable, and I drilled the holes slightly bigger than the bolts that I'll be using. Next I assembled it. I threw a washer on each end and between the 2 pieces of wood to help everything move. I only had normal nuts, but I think I'll switch them out for lock nuts just so it doesn't work its way free. As you can see, this is quick and easy to assemble and to adjust.
Okay, that's it, ready to go, all assembled. Put extra holes in along each of these legs just so it's more adjustable for different size glue ups, and on the base pieces as well, so you can get move the pressure around wherever you need it. Yeah, let's give it a go, see if it works.
This worked better than expected. A couple of taps with the hammer and it squeezes everything super tight. Probably never going to replace a Sash clamp, but great to use in conjunction with them, especially on these bigger glue ups.
There you go, scrap wood clamp, pretty handy for glue ups, a lot cheaper than a Sash clamp. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY Wood Revival content. Thanks for watching.